Okay, this week we're going to do a fun assignment. We're going to draw the Among Us character from the video game, and get your paper and you're going to hold it portrait. So we're going to learn about complementary colors, so you have to color it a certain way. But follow my lead, we're going to draw. So we're going to draw a rectangle for the first shape, but the rectangle, draw a straight line. The rectangle is going to have curved corners. Okay, so go around and curve your corner. Back around, so you're doing a rectangle, but curved corners. They are not 90-degree angles. Alright, so that's the shield. The next shape that we're going to do, you put your pencil right here. You're going to go up and around. Okay, and then you're going to go straight down. Just like that. Next shape is going to be his pack. You're going to put your finger right in the middle of the shield and go across. Put your pencil right here. Okay, go out and down, skinny, and back in. Okay, just like that. Okay, the next shape, we're going to follow this line here. Back here where the pencil is, you're going to pick up your pencil and go to the other side of the shield. And then go straight down. Easy. This character is easy to draw. Alright, so now we're going to do the feet. You're going to go back on this side and curve. And go up, short line, and stop. Okay, and then you're going to do a curved line going up. Okay, put your pencil right here. Straight down. Out. And up. Alright, so this character is easy to draw. So there's your Among Us character. Now what I want you to do is you get your colors, and you have to choose two colors that are complementary colors on the color wheel. So we're learning about that today. Last week we learned about primary colors, which was red, yellow, and blue. Secondary colors is orange, green, and purple. I want you to pick two complementary colors, which are two colors on the opposite side of the color wheel. Color your Among Us, and then add some scenery or background. So here's my sample of what I did, just adding some little background or scenery. So you come up with a little story behind it, do some scenery, have fun, add some detail to it.